In the latest Android 17 Beta 3 update on Pixel devices, there's a brand new multitasking feature called Bubble Multitasking, and it's actually super useful. So if you're running Android 17 Beta, you'll notice these floating bubble icons that let you quickly switch between apps. Here's how it works. First, long press the app, then tap on the bubble icon, and the app will shrink into a small floating bubble on your screen. Now, you can move that bubble anywhere on your home screen and tap it anytime to instantly reopen the app. Want to switch between apps quickly? Just tap different bubbles, no need to go back and forth between recent apps. If you want to close a bubble, simply long press it and drag it to the cross icon or remove it at the bottom. You can also tap the plus icon to open or manage which apps use bubbles, or remove them from the list. This feature is especially helpful for apps like messaging. For example, if you're watching something and get a message, you can tap the bubble to reply instantly and continue what you were doing. To close the bubble view, just tap anywhere outside it or switch back to another app. And that's it! A simple but powerful way to multitask faster on your Pixel device.